Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys, it means a lot. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, and what we will show you guys how to replace actually the center dash speaker. The speaker that's in the middle of the dashboard, how to remove and replace that cover for the speaker guys, because sometimes those will crack from the sun, or if you have a speaker it's going to eventually get really noisy because the sun hits on it guys, it's going to dry out, it's going to break, and the speaker will need to be replaced. Whether you have the speaker or not, the procedure is the same to remove the cover. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, hopefully you'll find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any tools or parts to fix your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below where we get our parts from for a very good price, fast shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So this is it guys, ours is actually an iOS model, so we do not have a speaker, but we have a hole for a speaker. Check it out. So it doesn't matter if you have a speaker or not, you're going to have that cover. Now sometimes the cover will break, sometimes the speaker will break, so I'm going to explain how we're going to remove it now. So we stay like that now guys, and I'm going to get a few tools. Now if you need any special tools or anything like that, all that will be listed guys in the description of the video below. So let me explain to you what we are doing. Now right here with the plastic panel removal tool, I'm going to pry right there. Okay, I'm trying to lift the speaker cover up. Okay, check it out. We have two spots. Okay, almost came out and then it got stuck again. Just don't apply too much pressure guys, because if you do, okay, you can break it and eventually it comes out. I'm going to explain where all the clips are now located. Check it out. Towards the front guys, you have two clips. One, two. Okay, two clips. On the right side you have two clips. On the left side you have two clips as well, and you can see how it's made to have the speaker, but it doesn't matter if you have it or not. Now on the back side you have two clips as well, and those are the ones that hold really good. Those metal clips there in the middle guys, okay, facing that way, check it out, they will be like right there. Those are the ones holding really good. Now at that point guys, if you have the speaker, all you have to do, okay, let me show you quick, okay, what you need to do quick here. You will be able to access it, okay, through right here, and all you have to do, just disconnect it now. Sometimes you may have an extra, okay, an extra screw here or two that hold the speaker in place, but pretty much that's how you guys get to it, and that's how you remove it. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that repair. Again, if you need any tools or parts guys, please subscribe to the please check out the description and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you guys next time.